Hi, welcome to a new day of our pronunciation journey. So today we're going to be pronouncing these words as well. So let's go. Category, category, category. Animate, animate, animate. Escalate, escalate, escalate. Renovate, renovate, renovate. Resonate, resonate, resonate. Irritate, irritate, irritate. I hope you're pronouncing alongside with me. Let's move on. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Intricate, intricate, intricate. Cultivate, cultivate, cultivate. Doctorate, doctorate, doctorate. Eradicate, eradicate, eradicate. Designate, designate, designate. Let's go over it again. Category, category. Animate, animate. Escalate, escalate. Renovate, renovate. Resonate, resonate. Irritate, irritate. Duplicate, duplicate. Intricate, intricate. Cultivate, cultivate. Doctorate, doctorate. Eradicate, eradicate. Designate, designate. So let's see the next one. And how many did you score on this one? I hope you're pronouncing alongside with me, because in that way you get to pronounce it right. So when I pronounce, you pronounce. So let's see section 2. Are you ready? Let's go. Nominate, nominate, nominate. Silicate, silicate, silicate. Excavate, excavate, excavate. Incubate, incubate, incubate. Climate, climate, climate. Elevate, elevate, elevate. Probate, probate, probate. Magnet, magnet, magnet. Sulfate, sulfate, sulfate. Urinate, urinate, urinate. Interrogate, interrogate, interrogate. Anticipate, anticipate, anticipate. Let's go over it again. Nominate, nominate. Silicate, silicate. Excavate, excavate. Incubate, incubate. Climate, climate. Elevate, elevate. Probate, probate. Magnet, magnet. Sulfate, sulfate. Urinate, urinate. Interrogate, interrogate. Anticipate, anticipate. So how many did you get right on this one? Don't forget, if you're not pronouncing alongside with me, you are not right. You are supposed to pronounce alongside with me so you can actually get sounds right. In case there's anyone you don't know, you can pronounce alongside with me and get it right. Let's see the next one. Calculate, 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 facilitate, 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 zincate, 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 ultimate, 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 educate, 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 contenant, 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 ventilate, 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 regulate, 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 stimulate, 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 defecate, 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 generate, 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 implicate, implicate, implicate. Let's go over it again. We have calculate, calculate, facilitate, facilitate, zincate, zincate, ultimate, ultimate, educate, educate, contaminate, contaminate, ventilate, ventilate, regulate, regulate, stimulate, stimulate, defecate, defecate, generate, generate, implicate, implicate. So tell me, how many have you gotten right so far? I hope you're actually pronouncing alongside with me, because in that way you get the sounds right. Okay, let's see the next one. We go. Desperate, 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 narrate, 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 senate, 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 rotate, 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 terminate, 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 dedicate, 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 alternate, 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 aggregate, 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 coordinate, 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 rehabilitate, 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 interrogate, 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 subordinate, subordinate, subordinate. We go over, we have desperate, desperate, narrate, narrate, senate, senate, rotate, rotate, terminate, terminate, dedicate, dedicate, alternate, alternate, aggregate, aggregate, coordinate, coordinate, rehabilitate, rehabilitate, interrogate, interrogate, subordinate, subordinate. All right, how many did you score on this section? Tell me that in the comment section. Let's move over to the next one and the last on the list for today. We have them. Approximate, 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 categorize, 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 caterpillar, caterpillar, caterpillar. Statement, statement, statement. Materials, materials, materials. Bonnet, bonnet, bonnet. Debate, debate, debate. Relate, relate, relate. Donate, donate, donate. Locate, locate, locate. Estate, estate, estate. Candidate, candidate, candidate. Vaccinate, vaccinate, vaccinate. We go over it, we have approximate, approximate. Categorize, categorize. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Statement, statement. Materials, materials. Bonnet, bonnet. Debate, debate. Relate, relate. Donate, donate. Locate, locate. Estate, estate. Candidate, candidate. Vaccinate, vaccinate. And for the last section, we have desate, desate, desate. Carbonate, carbonate, carbonate. Certificate, certificate, certificate. Confiscate, confiscate, confiscate. Activate, activate, activate. Perforate, perforate, perforate. Violate, violate, violate. Reciprocate, reciprocate, reciprocate. Intimidate, intimidate, intimidate. Circulate, circulate, circulate. Hibernate, hibernate, hibernate. Segregate, segregate, segregate. Defecate, defecate, defecate. Fumigate, fumigate, fumigate. So in total, how many did you score? Tell me that in the comment section. And this is where we're going to call it short for today's video. I believe you actually learned one or two out of today's video. Don't forget, we are still on our 31 days pronunciation journey in case you're just joining us. If you like what we do here, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget, if you're a returning subscriber, you are just amazing. Keep practicing, keep improving yourself, and keep doing well for yourself. Don't forget to stay safe. See you soon on our next class, and bye for now.